Photoshop is dead. Yep, you heard me right. And I am a little bit exaggerating here, to be honest. But this is, I would say, Da Vinci moment for Photoshop. And just like Da Vinci software, which is not just alternative of Premiere Pro but also of After Effects, similarly a software known as Affinity Studio, powered by very popular Canva app, launched this for absolutely free. No if, no but, no subscription, no one-time fee, and nothing like they are training our data to teach their AI to work more smartly. I mean, this is their claim. But the good thing here is we're gonna get this software for absolutely free. And why this is big news? Because Affinity have got pro grade features just like we have in case of Photoshop. Affinity Studio not only cover the aspect of Photoshop, but you're gonna also see Adobe Illustrator and Publisher. So all in one in just single package for free. Plus this is also powered by AI. And the catch here, the creator or the maker of this Affinity Studio says, like how they are earning it, they are in a way promoting users to use AI, which it's up to you. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you do not want, then nobody is pushing you to upgrade to Canva Pro. So it is really a very big thing, because earlier we only had Photoshop and then we had to pay hefty amount that is reoccurring in nature. So now if you move your workflow to this software, you do not need to pay any amount forever. Affinity Studio Maker also promised to keep on updating this forever. But the good thing is, right now we are getting it for free. And I will show you step by step how you can install Affinity Studio in your macOS. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here we can see we are in our computer screen. All we need to do here is we need to open browser. So let me quickly open browser here. And then here we need to type affinity.studio. Now let's hit enter. This will take us to the Affinity site, and they also have created a specific section which talk about how can Affinity be free, where they are kind of explaining their business model. So as it is really a professional grade software, so ideally it should cost you good amount of money, but here they are explaining. So they are kind of upselling Canva, and in a moment I will also show you how. But to get Affinity, there is no catch. You will be getting it for absolutely free. So here we are back again on our Affinity page, and all you need to do here is you need to click on Get Affinity. Now here you're gonna see this option of sign up to download. So this is what they're gonna get. They're gonna get more number of users that are using Canva or Canva product. So they are in a way thinking of maybe one day people may shift to Canva. I mean, this is what they claim. Now let me click here on sign up, and here all you need to do is you need to sign up using your Canva ID. And if you do not have account yet, then you can easily create it by visiting canva.com, and then here you can do sign up. And I am assuming that most of us are already aware of canva.com, which is undoubtedly one of the most powerful online photo editor. Now let me go back here in Affinity download, and now let's click here on download. So this app is available not only for macOS but also for Windows. So if you want to see how to download it for Windows, I'm gonna also add another video link in the description of this video. Okay, so here we can see we have successfully downloaded it. Let's make double click on it, and then all you need to do is you need to simply press your left mouse button and keep on holding this and drop it to your application. And there we go. After expansion, the Affinity going to be of around 3.5 GB, and now we can close this. Now let's go here in application, and here we can see Affinity is successfully installed. So let's click on it, and now this is a typical Apple first time application opening warning. Let's click on open. Now we can also close all these websites. Let's now again click on login or sign up, and it will ask us to sign up with our Canva ID. which will check license whether you are using free version of Canva or pro version of Canva. And those features are AI specific, so not to worry if you are even using free version of Canva. Now here you're gonna see the typical Photoshop like interface where you have got option to choose the size. So let's say I would like to start with A4, and then here, just like Photoshop, you can define the size of it, and then I'm gonna click on create a document. Now the document is created, and I would say the software is much more powerful than Photoshop because you're gonna get 3 or 4 in one in just a single package. The first one is Vector, which is kind of equivalent to Adobe Illustrator, and here you're gonna see a very similar kind of options available on the left, and on the right also you're gonna see swatch, stroke, appearance, color, as well as you're gonna see similar kind of layer style setup. Now when we talk about pixel, this is Photoshop alternative. Again, you're gonna see similar kind of options available here as well. In case of layout, this is alternative to Microsoft Publisher or probably Adobe InDesign. The last one is Canva AI Studio, where you can generate image as well as vector just by typing prompt. So let me type here beautiful mountain landscape and a cat driving bike in road. So let's see what it come up with. I'm gonna click on generate, and as I said that these are the only features that matter whether you have got free subscription or paid subscription of Canva. So let's see what kind of image it come up with, and there we go. So we can see the cat is driving bike, or in this case the AI understood that I am talking about bicycle in mountain. So this way you also have option to generate image, and then you can see the size of it. It's quite decent. Now you also have got other generative AI capability. For example, you want to extend it, so that is also doable. We can expand it and can make it big. Now let's click on expand, and there you go. The picture got beautifully extended. And if now I go back here in pixel, here I can see the new layer is being added. So in this way guys, you're gonna get 4 in 1 in single package, and that too for absolutely free. That's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to the Mac Essential, where our aim is to elevate your macOS experience. So be subscribed to us for more such video, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.